shape is this? Square. The square inside. Very good. What shape is that?
Wow.
Oval. Put that inside. What's this? Diamond. What shape is that? Star. What shape is that? Circle. What shape is this? Triangle. Next. What shape is this? What's this? What's this?
A moon.
A moon. Very good. And what shape is that? Is that another moon? It's a half moon. There you go. And what shape is that? Come on, what's that? What's that?
Rainbow.
Rectangle. You don't have to put it.